channel. It's Jazz and I hope you all are doing well. Today I have a unboxing on a new pair of glasses from Firmoo. I received these glasses a couple days ago and I'm really excited to see them because I took them out of the cardboard box they came in, but I was really tempted to open these, but I didn't want to open them just yet. I wanted to wait and see so that we're all seeing them together. I was torn between a couple pairs, but I finally decided on these. These are the, I believe it's Crace, C-R-A-C-E 21102. So that is the product number. These are only $26.99. I love the packaging, by the way. Looks like they have a cute little pamphlet. You can contact them. It has their return policy here, 60-day return and exchange policy, and a 365-day warranty, which I love. So I love this. They have a few little cards here, but let's get to the glasses. I love glasses. My eyesight is terrible. My eyes have 2 different prescriptions, and so it can be really expensive. So I typically go for contacts. I'm wearing contacts now. And I kind of stray away from wearing glasses with prescription lenses because, as you know, at the optometrist, it can get really expensive. So I love this brand Firmoo because they do have affordable frames. Like some of the frames that I've seen when I go to the optometrist are like $200, but these are only $26.99. And I love them. Look, oh, they're beautiful. Look. I wanted to wear something pretty, and I'm trying to go for more like boho stuff because that's really my aesthetic. And so I love the boho look. I like glasses that are really fun and colorful and pretty. So there's a little jewel here. I love these. I think that's so cute. Okay, so here are the glasses. I do wish that they had a jewel on both sides here, like one here and one there. I'll probably hang something else from right here because that's just me. Let's try these babies on. Ooh. Cute. These are so cute. So what I do like also is that I love a big frame. Okay, I love a colorful frame. I love a frame with a little bit of pizzazz. Okay, so they have all of that. But the pouch is actually a cleansing cloth. Like, who thinks of that? So the Firmoo little pouch is a cleansing cloth and a pouch for your glasses, and it keeps them nice and dust free. But yes, I think these are so cute. Okay, and it's so funny. I told my sister I was making this video and she was like, oh, you're making a video for glasses? What glasses? Is it Firmoo? And I was like, yeah. She said she ordered from them a few different times. So she was really excited to see which ones I picked. So this is my first pair. I already have my eyes on another pair. They're green, they're beautiful. Like, green is my favorite color, but I also love pink. So I'm so happy that I got to get these. There is a link in my description below for glasses, and you can check out the link. I do have a code as well that you can use to get you some glasses from Firmoo. So if you are wanting some affordable, trendy, stylish frames, please check out Firmoo. I have a link and my code in the description below. So many glasses to choose from. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you found it useful, enjoyable. I know it's a little something different than what I typically do, but I do have more fashion videos and hair videos coming up for you guys. I have a lot of fun things. So yeah, just stay tuned.